Hi there everyone, welcome back. A while back I had shared that I am now dermablading my face. I used to shave my face, which I have done for years, and I've shared a video showing how I do that. So way back in the day I did a tutorial. Well, I have since changed things a little bit. Let me explain. A few months back I had my face dermabladed at the skin spa that I go to. I was in for my routine hydrofacial and I had decided to schedule a dermablading prior to having the hydrofacial done. Well, I loved my face. It was much closer of a shave, I guess I would say, than what I get with my standard razors. I've also tried the tinkles. I'm sure many of you are familiar with that. But I decided, I have a pretty steady hand, I'm pretty patient, and I'm also very detail oriented. So I felt like I could definitely take a scalpel to my face and I probably wouldn't have too many issues. Now, some people have a lot of anxiety about hair removal on their face. They often think that your hair is going to grow back like a man's. It will not. We do not produce enough testosterone to get manly hair. So it's just going to grow back in the way that it originally was. It's kind of peach fuzz and soft. So no changes will take place except that you're just going to have hair come back in just like you would whenever you remove hair from anywhere else. The other thing is some people have a lot of anxiety about cutting themselves. And this is just an area where you have to decide what's going to work for you. I'm not here to encourage anyone to take a scalpel to their face. Now, I would say that I'm here encouraging you to shave your face or remove your facial hair if you don't. Believe me, it is very noticeable when women have facial hair. It's more feminine to remove it, I guess, and to each their own, but just know that if you are in natural light, you can really see it. And even if you're a blonde, don't think that we can't see all of that peach fuzz. We certainly can. Now again, if you're okay with it, by all means, who am I? We all get to do whatever we choose to do, but I will say it looks much nicer. If you're a makeup wearer, you will love how your foundation applies once you have the hair removed. So now I'm doing the dermablading. It's going really well. I'm going to share a tutorial showing you how I do it, the whole method, and let's hope I don't have any mishaps. If I do, all will be fine. You're probably wondering how often I take the scalpel to my face. Well, I don't apply makeup every single day. If I did apply makeup, let's say 2 days in a row, I wouldn't do the dermablading both days. But let's say it's a Monday and I do my makeup and I don't do my makeup again until Thursday. I will take the razor to my face again on Thursday. So there's really never a lot of hair, and you will also notice when I take you along for the tutorial, you're not going to see a lot of hair. Now, if you're a first-time person shaving your face or using the tinkles or using a scalpel, you are definitely going to see a lot. What you'll notice the most with me is skin, because I do a lot of exfoliating. I also use a lot of acids or active ingredients, so my face is constantly exfoliating. If you want to know about the products that I use, I will have my skincare, my aggressive anti-aging skincare video linked. I will also put it up here. Still using all of those products, but yeah, it's pretty aggressive. So I am constantly shedding dead skin, which is great because that will keep your skin young. I don't know if you've ever heard that men don't age as fast on their face. Well, I guess let me take that back. If they're a smoker, they're clearly going to age fast. Environmental things are going to play a role. If they have sun damage, it's going to be different. But for the most part, they don't age as quickly as we do on their face because they're shaving all the time, so they're constantly exfoliating. Well, that's really the same effect you're going to get. So it's also very anti-aging to do some type of hair removal, whether you're just taking a razor or if you're going with the tinkles, which definitely would not be the same as a scalpel. That would probably be a starting point. and I will have them linked. I will also have some just typical razors linked. But yeah, it's very anti-aging. My face is not wet, my face is dry, but you will see all of this in the tutorial as well as what I'm using. And just bear in mind, everything will be linked in the drop-down box, also on the corresponding blog post, which you can get by clicking the top link in the drop-down. Well, there you have it, folks. That is my dermablading tutorial for hair removal. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Again, this won't be for everyone. It's okay. It's okay. There's no right or wrong. It just is what serves you. You know that is always my mission statement. What's right for one isn't necessarily right for someone else. For me, it works. I love it. I've been shaving for years. I've been hair removing for years, and it definitely has served me. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Take care.